Hey, what's up DIYers? Mike Boers with the Mike Boers channel. Thank you for watching. We're talking dishwashers today. In the event that your dishwasher is stopping at the rinse portion of the cycle, we're going to show you what causes that. Let's take a look. All right, DIYers, inside the kitchen now. This is our Whirlpool dishwasher. And again, in the event that your dishwasher is stopping at the rinse portion and not continuing, we are going to show you the part that is causing this. So directing our attention to our selector knob, it is in the off position. We are not running the cycle currently. And to turn it on, you've got three different options. You've got pots and pans, heavy or normal. Yours may have more or less options than ours, being a different dishwasher, but in most cases, they all do the same thing. And with that said, once you select the proper cycle setting that you want, in our case, we do normal most of the time, you will shift the knob to the normal and that begins your cycle. In the entire duration that the dishwasher is going, if you put your ear up to this portion right here, you can hear ever so slightly ticking sounds. And that is the internal timer moving through all of its internal mechanical linkages and guiding the dishwasher through the entire cycle. So with that said, once this knob gets all the way around to the rinse only, your timer is sending signals to all the internal parts when it comes time to properly drain the system or add more water, or in your case, rinse and continue the cycle to the dry portion. However, what I've got in my hand is an old, no longer working internal timer. This is what it looks like. And I'll set this in a way that it is positioned inside our dishwasher. This is what the selector knob secures onto. So in the event that I pull this knob off the dishwasher front panel or door, you will see this part right here. This whole housing itself is inside the dishwasher, tucked behind the inner panel. So in most cases, you just got several T-bit screws. Go ahead and remove those, and you can pull your panel or front control panel off and gain access to this internal timer. In the event that you want step-by-step guidance on how to do that, definitely check out the link scrolling above. You may find it very helpful. And here's a better close-up view of the internal linkages in there. You got a little spring. And again, this timer continues to guide your entire dishwasher through all of its settings, such as the introduction of water into the system, the washing portion, the draining portion, the rinse portion, and the drying portion. Again, a quick view of the internal parts of the timer. So hopefully this helps. Definitely check out that link that was scrolling above earlier that shows you the step-by-step video on how to replace that timer. Again, you may find it helpful. From here, do us a favor, below the video, you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us. We would really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching.